In front of me is Xiaomi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off high performance mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section called battery. Now select current mode and tap on performance mode at the top. Last but not least, confirm your choice by hitting OK. So when I do that, as you can see, high performance is enabled. If you wanna disable it, tap on current mode again and select balanced. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!